I find it very difficult to video and work at the same time. What I did here is built a little platform, a couple shims in here to keep it from rolling. I don't think it was necessary, but got these pins holding the weight. I got my pin in here now. Now, what I need to do is get the bottom locating pins lined up, start pounding this end, and I'm lined up here, I think. All right, matter of fact, I might sock a nut in there. Screw it. It's not lined up perfect yet, but see, I just can't do the videotaping, and let me try putting the camera over here. Okay, for whatever you're able to see. Now I need to get this up on this ledge right down here, and likewise over here, so I can lift that, bang it in. Get this lifted up and pushed in. I'm damn near there. See if I can get a screw started here. I've had this thing on and off so many times that I need to bring everything. I've had this thing off and on enough times that I need to come down that way. Here I need to come up, I think, in. Okay, that locating pin is in. So let's get the screw in there. Very good. This is good. I'm making this look easy now. I think I can suck the rest of them. I think I can suck the rest of it in place with the screws. Bottom one might be a challenge. Well, I think I did it. I guess I could have put some sealant on that while I was here, but got a lot of pulling in to do. I don't like it. It's like something's not lined up or something. Maybe the let's see if I can suck it up with the screws. Oh yeah, it's coming right up. So there's, I was going to get, originally thinking of getting a bottle jack, and that would probably be the thing to do, is put a short bottle jack in here. And there's actually quite a bit of room for a bottle jack. You got the maybe when I take it off next time to seal the edges for oil leaks, I'll use a bottle jack. Although this method certainly did all right. Okay, I'm looking for a big adjustable. And this one here, I can barely get a screw head on. Barely tight is about as tight as I can get it. The angle. Okay, now get a 7/8 socket on these two nuts. All right, there's some video of me actually working. I'll put all these down here for right now. The rule is I generally put everything away almost immediately. Some plastic material, structural, whatever. Square tubing. Got some wood chips here to vacuum up. Pin is in there. Like I said, it was a delicate balance. You got 2 location pins here, one here on the bottom, and then you got to get that thing up. So this has got to come out, that's got to go up, and then you got to drive that in as you're bringing everything in, and oh, it's done. Well, there's some rare footage of me actually working. A bit, how do you say it politely? Not typical, a bit gerrymandered. I don't know why the origin of that word. Not normal, the process, but it got the job done. And yeah, now I have no excuses but to address the cone clutch for the powered cross slide travel. And we're going to have the camera right on that because you guys are going to be the ones that fix that. My lovely wife. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and please stay tuned for powered cross slide travel because I'm going to need your help. Back. Well, there's another short video enabling me to avoid